Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Asgar. In this video, we will discuss General Ability Paper 2017 Question 8 of CSS in easy way so that everyone can understand this. Divide rupees 500 between Iram, Mariam and Saram so that Iram gets two-thirds of what Mariam gets and Mariam gets one-fourth of what Saram gets. Find the share of each. For solution of this problem, we have to first of all find the ratio between all these three. Okay, for finding ratio, let's say use a common symbol or variable between them. X is a common variable for which in which we can represent the share of Saram. Let X be the share of Saram. So share of Mariam will be one-fourth of the Saram's share. Saram's share is X and Mariam's share will be 1 upon 4th of X. And now the share of Iram, that will be two-thirds of Mariam's share. Mariam's share is 1 upon 4 and Iram's share will be two-thirds of Mariam's share. That will be we 2 into 4 means these tables, two table of 2 on 2 and on 4 2, that will be 1 upon 6. Okay, and ratio of these shares will be equal to here x in all these three will be cancelled. Okay, and multiplying 12 to eliminate this denominator, we have to multiply 12 on with all these. The ratio is 12 because 12 is multiplied 12 and 12 here multiplied, so we got 3 and here we got 2. 1 upon 6 multiplied by 12, that will be equal to 2. X, these x's has been cancelled on all the sides. This is the ratio. Now we have to find the sum of ratio. Sum of these shares are sum of these ratios. These are shares. You can say it ratio or shares. Sum is 17. Okay, and the share of Saram, that's 12. This is share of Mariam and this is share of Iram. That's 2. Okay, so we get Saram's share 12 upon total share 17. 500 into 12 means 500 will be divided into 7 shares and will be multiplied to the share of Saram, that's 12. We got this result. Similarly, Mariam's share 3 into 500 divided by 17. We got this, and Iram's share equal to 58.82. If you check or verify the result, you will get above statement correct. You will find above statement correct. How this is share of Saram divided by 4, or one-fourth of this will be equal to Mariam's share, and two-thirds of this will be equal to the Iram's share. Okay, these three are answers. Now question number 8b. 8b, a school has enough provision of food for 52 days. After 20 days, a group of 400 students arrive and food would have last for 24 days. Only how many students are there in school actually? Okay, the provision of food was for 52 days. Okay, after 20 days it becomes food provision is of 32 days. After 20 days means when the food provision of 32 days, 400 new students arrives in school, and it would have lost for 24 days, right? So now let x be the actual number of students in school. According to data in the question, we have table the number of students in school x, and food provision of 32 days, and number of students when 400 new students arrive, that becomes x plus 400. food provision is 24, right? This is inverse proportion. Okay, so we find the proportion in this way: x plus 400. Okay, now proportion sign, and the here will be reverse data. Okay, in this way, right? So we have proportion in this way: 24 and then 32, because it's inverse, so we have found in proportion in this way. We know well the product of extremes means out numbers which are on outside, means on corners. Product of extreme equal to the product of mean. Okay, so 32 into x, 32x, and 24 will be multiplied by this bracket, right? 24x and 9600. 24x will be negative on right side, left side, because it is positive on right side. Okay, we got 8x because 32 minus 24 equal to 8x, and here 9600. Now we divide 8 on both sides, so x becomes x equal to, implies that x equal to 9600 divided by 8. We got result 12. This is answer. The number of actual students in school is 1200. Now question number 8C. A man walks 2 kilometers toward north, then he turns to east and walks 10 kilometers. After this, he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Again, he turns toward east and walks 2 kilometers. How far is he from starting point? Okay, and now we know well in maths or in physics problems or in mathematics problem, we write directions in this way. Uh, north is on this side, and south is on this side. North is above and east is on right, and left we write west, right? So 2 kilometers toward north, first statement, and then he moves 10 kilometers toward east, and then he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Okay, finally he walks 2 kilometers toward east. Now the total distance, distance on horizontal line, okay, from the starting point is 12 kilometer. Okay, 10 plus this 2 equal to 12 kilometer total distance, length, and its height, the total distance is 2 plus this 3 height equal to 5 kilometer. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the distance from this starting point to the end point. Okay, so let's do it using Pythagoras theorem. The distance, length and height, okay, square of length and square of height equal to this third side, right? This is equal to the square of 12 plus the square of 5 and whole square root. We got these results: 12 square 144 and 5 square is 25, 169. The answer is 13 kilometer. The total distance from the initial point to the point where he ended, that's total distance. That is distance between starting point the point where he stopped, 13 kilometer. Okay, now question number 8D. In a certain code language, computer is written as this way, in this way. How medicine will be written in that code language? Okay, here in this code, the pattern of this code is as under. Step number 1, the first letter and the last letter has been exchanged, means C and R has been exchanged. Okay, R has been written here and C has been written here. Okay, both have been exchanged. One is this one, and so in medicine we also exchange M and E. Okay, and second step, every letter will be changed in next letter. For example, O will be changed into P, as in computer. O has been changed into P and written on second position on right, and M has been changed into N. M after M we got N and written on third position on right side. P into Q, U into V, T into U, E will be E into F. From the right we will write all these letters. Similarly in medicine we do. Okay, medicine, this E will be changed into F, written on second position from the right, and the third letter from the left, D into E, at the third position. Here we have to write on third position on the right. Okay, similarly these letters we got this result. Okay, I hope you understood all, and I have tried my best to explain. Please share among your friends to support me. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.